Hi everyone, this is Debbie from Southern Delight. I have a quick 5-minute tutorial I want to show you. I know Christmas is 4 days away, and as you can see, I've been busy trying to get some gift baskets together. I make a lot of gift baskets on the side, and these are some that I have put together for Christmas. I'm trying to get some wrapped up for some Christmas gifts. And well, I can share that with you as well. A lot of times what I put in my gift baskets, I get a lot of inspiration when I travel. I get a lot of inspiration from just places I visit, and even in just the small hometown that I live in. We live in a really small town. I actually have to travel about 50 miles to get to the nearest Michael's store or the nearest Hobby Lobby. Most of the time you have to get a lot of your crafting supplies from either Walmart, order it online, or a Dollar Tree, somewhere like that. So that's why a lot of times you'll hear me talk about DIYs from the Dollar Tree and just things like that. And then I do a lot of ordering online. But when I vacation, I get a lot of these ideas because we go out and we visit all these wonderful places. Matter of fact, I'll go ahead and I'll drop a clip of a place that we just got back from. We went to Gatlinburg, Tennessee, but we visited an old mill. And of course, when you get up there and you see the old mills, they have an old mill restaurant that they serve some just southern home cooking. I mean, it's just absolutely wonderful. If you've never been and you're visiting Gatlinburg and you're in the Pigeon Forge area, you really need to go down there and check out the old mill. And when I go there, I bring back a lot of, they have stores and things where they sell some of their signature dishes. Like this one, they sell different soups and all. They have like potato soup, broccoli, cheddar soup. These make wonderful Christmas gifts. They have Christmas packaging where they have like 3 of them in it. But I like sometimes to buy these and just swap them up. And you can even go online and order these from the old mill. If you are ever visiting Pigeon Forge, this is the place to be. It is absolutely breathtaking. It's beautiful here. This store right here, guys, this is like my favorite store in Pigeon Forge. And that restaurant, awesome. But I pick up jams and jellies and things like that so that I can do a lot of the gift baskets. You actually, if you've been following me, you saw me use this bucket for a flower arrangement. These you can get online or you can get from Walmart. They are great for gifts. And you can personalize them. Like I said, I used one in the fall. This one I'm using for Christmas. It says Merry Christmas on it. I've taken and put some shred in it, some red shred to match Christmas. And then, like I said, when I was on vacation, I picked up a lot of jams and jellies. They even had like grits, cornmeal, and that sort of thing. Well, when I got back, I had several other people on my list. So this is the neat thing about getting inspired somewhere, because I come back home and I started looking, trying to find places that I could use locally and what we had to offer in our little town. And what I found was amazing. Just probably 50 miles from us is another small town, and there is a place called the Georgia Agorama, and they do old-fashioned grits. They do their own cornmeal, and then I went and found another place that was locally, that was real close by, that did the jams and jellies. So a lot of times, if you are inspired by something, just look around in your area and just see what, you know, some of your hometown people have to offer, because if you pick up a lot of those little things from them, and usually they're not really expensive, and then you can just make your own little style of gift baskets and things like that. And a lot of times what I do is I just mix. I like to mix things that are kind of common together, like when I do the grits and the cornmeal, I like to mix it with the jellies. And then you can pick up little things like little towelettes and things like this that you can add in it. And in this case, I've taken one and put like in the back. And then I'll probably just use one, either the grits or cornmeal in this one, because it's a small basket. And then some of the jams and jellies, plop that down in the front. But this one I wanted the little red truck theme, and I picked these up at Michael's when I was there earlier around Thanksgiving. And just do it, and then I'm going to put some plastic wrap on it, and then a real beautiful bow, and voila, I have a gift basket. And these just make wonderful little gifts, and you can personalize them to the person, especially the person that you're giving it to, what they're into and what they like. This is a larger one that I'm doing, and I actually picked up some of this person's favorite things, like coconut patties and chocolate covered turtles and things like that. And I'm just going to put them all in the gift basket like this, and then wrap this one up. And this box I actually picked up while I was on vacation also. And we love flea markets, and especially when we go to little places, you know, that have a lot of country things, a lot of homemade crafts and things like that. Craft shows you can get them too. And I pick up a lot of these little things like this little wooden basket style. And then of course, you know, they had already done the work for me and put in the little red truck. So I'm just theming little red truck this year. So of course y'all know that I love the little red truck thing for Christmas. But those are just some of the ideas that I've been using for Christmas presents. And they're real kind of inexpensive, a lot of fun to make, and they don't take a whole lot of time. But the reason I am doing another video right here before Christmas is because I was out shopping yesterday. I had some last minute things to pick up, and of course I made my run to Hobby Lobby. And once I was there, of course I got everything marked down. I love a sale. They had things marked down to 66% off. So when I found this, I had to show you that this is the perfect time of year to start buying for, like, or thinking about even next year. You know, what are you decorating in? What are your themes and so forth? But I picked this up at Hobby Lobby, and this is really just a 3-step process. Here I am, I'm trying to get ready for Christmas Day because I'm going to have family over, and I wanted to have a tablescape, and I kind of get ready and finish up some of my last minute decorating. While I was in there, I found this on clearance. This usually runs like $29.99. Right now, like I said, they've got sales galore going on. Some of them range from, there's New Springs 40%, some of it 50% on items, 66% on Christmas. So you can imagine the deals that I have picked up. These are Christmas on the, and they're the ones that are on 66% off. Usually I bypass a lot of these because these are quite expensive. Some of these run like $20 for like one sprig, or sometimes, you know, they can run like even half off. You're thinking, oh my goodness, they're too much. No, they're 66% off right now. So when I passed this, I was like, oh, this would be so beautiful for a tablescape. So I picked up one of these, I went back and I got some foam. This, guys, is under like $25. I don't even think I have $25 in it. It's going to be a 3-step process. All I have to do, cut this in half, put this in here. I showed y'all these once before. I'm going to clip this in half. I'm going to plop this down here. These are some pine cones that I've already had. If you don't have them, pick some up in the yard and spray some snow on them. I'm going to put these in on the sides, and voila, I have my tablescape. Give me just a few minutes and I'm going to show you what it looks like put together. So quickly, let me show you how I assembled this. Take your container. You don't necessarily have to use this type of container. You can use your own, one of your own choice. I took and I cut down the foam. I pushed it down in here, and I'm going to show you how simple this is. And really, this is just a 3-step process. We've taken this container, shoved that in it, the branches here. Just take them. They already have them all laid out for you with all of the berries, the eucalyptus, the ferns that have the gold glitter on it. In my case, you know I love balance. I took, and this one was sticking out right here, so I did clip that one. I clipped this one down in half. Now all I have to do is take this and shove it in here. This one I cut down to be kind of equal to the height of this other one. We're going to put that in here to kind of give it some balance. My pine cones, I'm using these to fill in the bottom part of this, to kind of just shove them down in the back there, so that you, and then you can go back and you can add some ribbon, or you can put some of the greenery stuff down in the bottom. But it's that simple. and for under $25 you have a beautiful, beautiful, elegant tablescape, which this one fits my personality wonderfully because I love the farmhouse glam. I'm just a small town girl who loves the farm life, but I have city taste. So a lot of times you'll see me mix the two together just to create the farmhouse glam look. And this is one of those, and like I said, it turned out absolutely beautiful, and it's going to be beautiful on with my tablescape. But if I don't have a chance to get back and download another video before Christmas, I'd like to wish you all a very Merry Christmas, and I hope you enjoy yourselves, and I hope you can get together with family and friends. And until next time, thank you. And remember, if you want to continue following me, don't forget to subscribe below. Thank you.